All right, guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. The reason why I don't want to say comparing it, the reason why I'm doing this, because this is the only Mambo is the only drone that can compete with the Tello. But by saying that, it's really hard to compare, because apparently it's just not this one is only for FPV. So what I'm doing here right now is I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the how far the range. You can see here, this is a football field, and we can see how far. So half of this is probably 50 yards. So we're gonna see exactly how far is the FPV flight feed from the drone. So we're taking off here, and you can see it's fighting with the wind. And then yeah, we just want to see how far can the Parrot Mambo go by the feed feed. So I got it on now. I'm not gonna go too high, because the reason why I might lose it. So about 50 yards by now right there, and you can see, let me see if I can, you can even see that far. So you can see wow, this thing already got low battery. So 50 yards. Let me see if it can come back to me. So 50 yard, guys. So I'm gonna go towards me. So right now it is windy, so you can even see that far. So you can see wow, this thing already got low battery. So 50 yards. Let me see if it can come back to me. So yeah, I went low battery, so it did good. So that's my behalf here. So it went 50 yards, guys. So letting you guys know. And then I'm gonna use the, I'm gonna go ahead and do the I call this the Tello. Now you guys can see here, and we're gonna go ahead and see. Hold on. And then we're gonna go record and go from here. Now it takes off. This thing hover like a GPS. Alright, we're gonna see how far it can go. So height right now is 1.1 meters. That's crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and go. Okay, we still have a nice feed. We're actually more than 50 yards. I can't even see the Tello anymore. So if I were you guys, do not go more than 50 yards with this. You can't even see anything anymore. And I don't know what you're trying to do, but I think it's good. I'm already 100 yards right now. It's a signals lost almost. So I'm gonna go back around. And then it's gonna go back to me. So it did pretty far. Do its job. So it's actually maintaining it, and I still have lots of battery. So just letting you guys know. So it's coming. coming here, and now she sees me. So it went almost 100 yards, and I still have battery. I mean, I still have a full battery, and you can tell how this guy here just wow. And up here, wow. So I'm gonna go start. Hold on. It's doing 360 panorama. Wow. Hold on. So I still got a lot of flight time here, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop it, and then I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go around me because it's hold on, I made a mistake. So I'm gonna go ahead. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you make sure that there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this flight mode really quick. So there you go. It's called fly away, and now it's doing fly away. It's pretty cool. This reminds me of my Spark, man. Oh man, and I still have plenty batteries. It is amazing. And now it's gonna come back to me, and then I'll probably, let me see if I can do circles. Hold on. Here you go. I'm gonna go circles here. So, and I'm gonna go ahead in circles. It's doing circle, guys, and it's really windy right now. You can see here, I mean, it's gusty. So yeah, it's windy, but it's cool. And it's so funny because people don't know what's the bounce all about, and I'll show you what's the bounce. So people okay, so if you want to know, let's go over here because it's pretty sunny. So if you guys want to know what's bounce, basically this is what you do bounce. All right, I don't have enough light, so I'm just gonna do in the sun. So when you do bounce, so when you do bounce like this, what do you have to do is you go to flight mode, and then you want to go ahead and bounce, right? And what is bounce is basically when you start doing push-up. See, it's lifting up. So when you're working out, you can do your push-up, and then you can show, you know, you can show your drone. So it's really cool. So this drone is gonna make you active. Ah. Woo. So that's bounce. So people don't know what is bounce. That means get your ass up and go work out. I'm messing with you guys. So all right, and then I'm gonna go ahead this way. So I still have flight time. So I just almost did, you know, almost like a football field, and it still came back to me with the live video feed, and I still do a flight mode, and I still have decent battery. This is really amazing. So I'm gonna take advantage of it. I'm gonna do 360. See here, so it's doing, hold on, let me stop it. So it's cool, guys, to have these flight modes. I'm probably gonna do a 360 here. So yeah, so having with Tello doing this flight mode is really fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 360. It's showing you high wind, okay? So it's doing this 360. Look, it's blowing a little bit, and it's like it acts like a GPS. It's awesome what this little guy is doing. So you know what, I'm not gonna do that. And then, like I said, it's windy, so, and then I already did all the flight modes, and I'll probably do, okay, I'll probably do star flips, and and then so I still have flight time, and then you can see it's drifting a little bit, and then I'm gonna do a backflip. So I'm gonna act like I have a racing drone now. And then you're gonna, yeah, so it's like your racing drone now. Look at that. So I'm not even in a fast mode right now, I'm just like in a slow mode. So it just doing a look, and it's still doing a drift. Wow, I'm gonna call this a sport mode here. So it's just like a racing one. So I got a 50% battery. It will not let you flip anymore, so that's a good thing. Stop here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to setting, and then I'm gonna go fast speed, and then I'm gonna go record it. And man, look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I'm not even using the transmitter. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, Tello in sport mode. Look at Tello. Woo! Man, it's awesome, man. I'm having fun right now. Just look at that, doing panels. It's called, let's do a blow by. You know what blow by is? It's basically when the quadcopter come up to you and then goes up in the air. A lot of racing drone guys don't even know what is that. I guess only skilled one. But anyway, it's called blow by. See right here? It's called a blow by. If you guys never seen a blow by, there you go. You feel the breeze coming out to your face. It's called blow by. Mostly people does that when they're racing, or they have like Inspire. I don't know. I did it with my Inspire one. When people are walking around, you do that. It's just breeze go everywhere, and it's pretty fun. But yeah, look at this, man, in sport mode. Dang, in the wind. So we got a little champion here now. So I've been flying around a few minutes. Woo! Woo! Yeah, it's fun. I'm not even really using the joystick like I should have, but look, I can still manage it. You know, be honest with you, I don't really like using just your hand, like your fingertips, but I do in this one because it's pretty tiny, and I know DJI is pretty precise if they do make it. So look at that. Ah! It's, woo! So it's fun. So what is this Tello for? I think it's for everybody. I think everybody should have, you know, have something to just have a good time and enjoy, and you know. And look at that, we're gonna go ahead and go to woohoo! Man, I still have plenty of time, guys. So I'm gonna put this video. See, you know what I'm talking about over here is a lot of cops. And if you have a big drone here and zooming by, being so loud, sometimes they come up to you and tell you stuff. But anyway, look, even though with the joystick, I'm gonna go FPV now. FPV racing. Woohoo! Oh, we went through. Look, it's even windy. Woo! Yeah, Tello. Look at that, going upwind. Oh man, look at this guy. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, man, enjoying sport mode here. So I still have plenty batteries So I think one battery is enough, even though we are still waiting for the hub. But man, so $400 I think is, I mean, look at that. Once you have this, I don't think you're gonna go back, you know. I don't know, I'm just saying. So heck yeah. So if that, look, oh man, it's fun. And then you can just go like that. It's called a blow by. Let me see. And then another trick here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh man, I still have plenty batteries. It's amazing. So we can go all the way up high up here. Wow, this is a game changer, guys. I don't know, but it's a game changer. So it's, even though you're up there, it still hovers too. I don't know what's seeing up there, but he stays. So now I still got low battery, and he's gonna do a low battery. Woo! Yeah. See, right now it's blowing. I'm gonna call this extreme wind. So I'm gonna use this extreme wind. Yeah, because I pretty much got low battery here. I got low battery here. This is my fault, guys. Nice show, huh? I know, for this little guy here. So did you have fun watching it? Yeah, man. I know, right? I mostly use my big drones here. No, I don't know why. I'm surprised with this little guy here. I mean, it's blowing. I mean, it's blowing right now, guys. So yeah, I'm amazed with it, what this little guy can do. And thank you for tuning into my channel, and I really do appreciate it. And wow, very surprised.